Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive into myEcon and their exclusive travel membership, also known as the Zingo Travel Club. So here's what's great, my friend. This is a little hidden gem that is inside of your myEcon membership. So I want to dive into the actual travel membership and show you how powerful this travel engine really is. And just some food for thought really quick. Most of the travel engines that are inside of affiliate marketing or network marketing opportunities are all owned by the same kind of parent company. Now, what each network marketing or affiliate marketing company can do individually is they pay for different pricing tiers. So the travel membership with myEcon gets white labeled over to them versus, a travel engine that gets white labeled over to a different affiliate or network marketing company. It looks like theirs, it has their name on it, all that sort of good stuff. And there's different pricing tiers that they could use to get more or less discounts or features on that site. So the way that myEcon does it, they are paying for one of the top tiers, which means for you as the consumer with your myEcon membership, you get the most amount of discounts. You'll probably see a very similar looking travel engine with other business opportunities out there, but the discounts might not be the same. The website might look exactly the same, but the discounts might not be the same because, again, of the different tiered levels. Now, let's dive into this. I want to show you some hidden gems that not only the travel membership with myEcon is a hidden gem within the business, because it's kind of like an additional feature, because myEcon prides themselves on helping you increase your cash flow. They are known for products and services that have, been with the company for almost 20 years, which is income shifting, adjusting your W-4, the credit repair, the investment strategies, all of those things are involved in with cash flow and helping you make and save more money. But this travel membership, which was added several years ago, in my opinion, is a huge hidden perk and hidden gem inside of the myEcon membership. So let's click into this and let's go actually dive in and check out this membership so you can see it. I want to show you some hidden gems that are inside of this travel membership so you could take advantage of this. So first thing you need to know right off the bat, you have a 110% price match guarantee. So for you, you're guaranteed to save every time you travel. It doesn't matter if you're renting a car, booking a cruise, getting on a flight, booking a hotel. You have a 110% price match guarantee, which means if you find a cheaper price elsewhere, the travel club will literally pay you the difference. Like, you're guaranteed to save. So why would you ever want to book travel through any other source? Expedia, Trivago, Travelocity. Like, why would you do that when you're guaranteed to save here? It just doesn't make any sense. Now, the other thing that you could do is you can earn points. And over time, as you're earning those points, you could redeem those points for free travel. Again, do the big name travel sites do that? No. But this travel club, this travel membership does do that. So you have the ability to earn points, redeem those points, and I believe you could split it where you could pay some points, the rest cash, whatever. But think about it, over time, if you book travel consistently, or you'd like to start booking travel consistently, you can earn enough points and then eventually start traveling for free. That's pretty awesome. Again, another hidden perk and gem inside of your myEcon membership that you maybe did not know about. Now, here's two nuggets inside of this travel membership, which I want to share with you. The first one we're going to take a look at, I'm going to save the best for last here. Okay. So the first one we're going to do is take a look at lifestyle. Now, obviously, when you travel, you eat food, right? I mean, if you went on a 7-day vacation, you wouldn't starve yourself, right? You wouldn't not eat food the whole time you're on vacation. No, you're obviously going to eat food. It just makes sense. So here's what's cool. You can go into here and if you are going to travel within the continental United States, okay, you can save huge amounts of money when you go out to eat. And this hidden gem inside of the travel membership with myEcon is going to help you do just that. So check this out. They have a partnership with restaurant.com. Okay. So you can go buy a $100 gift card, or you can buy multiple $100 gift cards as an example. Okay. For $12.49. So you can get $100 worth of food for $12.49. So if I were you and you were doing some travel here in the United States, I would go buy a handful of these gift cards. Hey, you could give these away for stocking stuffers around Christmas time, whatever you want to do. But it's a great way to help you save money when you're traveling. So think about that if you're going to book a family vacation in Orlando or Los Angeles or New York or anywhere. You could go buy a couple of these gift cards, 2, 3, 4, 10 of these, okay, and be saving a massive amount of money when you go get food, okay? So hopefully that was helpful. Next thing I want to do is I want to show you this little hidden gem right here called Weeks. Now, why is that important to you? Okay. If you know anything about either Airbnb or Verbo, basically what it is, you're renting out somebody's condo, home, room, whatever it is. And this Weeks feature inside of the travel club is pretty much the same thing. They have found people that own properties, okay? And some of these are in all-inclusive resorts. So you have the ability to save huge. And I've done other comparisons about this over the years with these travel engines, but this is a huge, huge, huge hidden gem inside of this travel engine where you can find very deep discounts. So as an example, I'm going to demo that for you here in this video. We're going to go pick a week somewhere, and then we're going to compare that to public pricing and see how much you can really save if you were to do it through the myEcon travel membership. Okay. So let's just pick a destination here. We're going to see if we can go find somewhere where we would like to go. Actually, hey, let's check this out. We'll go to Myrtle Beach, which is where I live, although I wouldn't use this. I'm doing this for you. So we're going to pick Myrtle Beach. We're going to see if we can find some cool places to stay. We're going to look up the price through here, and then we're going to do a apples to apples comparison and compare this to public pricing. Okay. So as an example, I'm going to go through here, and what we're looking for is, I'm just going to go grab this one right here. So this is the Polynesian. Okay. And I'm going to open this up, and we're just going to pick the same dates, same hotel, and then compare pricing and see what we find here with the myEcon travel engine compared to what we find online. And it's also very important. I want you to know this, okay? When you look at prices on the myEcon travel engine, it includes the taxes and fees. It's already built into the price. When you go do a public search, it's not always included in the price. So the public price that you see if you did a Google search might appear to be cheaper, but once you click into it, you might see all the applicable taxes that they didn't include when you saw that public price that looked all cool and everything. So as an example, make sure that you drill all the way in and get the real true price, which I'm going to do for you here. So as you can see here, this is the Polynesian Oceanfront Motel. Okay, nothing fancy, nothing special. All we're doing is we're just comparing pricing. I could do 4-star, 5-star, all that sort of stuff. Right now, I just want to show you pricing and the advantages you have with the myEcon travel engine. Okay, so right here, you guys can see that $38 a night. Okay, and this is for a studio. They have 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, but this is for a studio. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go on over to Google, and we're going to do the same thing. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to grab this name, and I'm going to use this exact, okay? And we're also going to pick the same exact dates, so we're doing an apples to apples comparison. So, and as you can see right here, we're looking at the dates now. We're looking into next year, which is fine. You can book your trips well in advance. So what we're looking at is May 10th through May 17th. So that's 1 week, okay? It's a full week. So now let's head on over to Google and see what we find. So as you can see here, over doing a Google search, we have the same exact hotels, same exact dates, okay? And then when you look here, you can see the other prices, and most of them are more expensive. So remember, our price on the myEcon travel membership was $38 per night. Now this one here says 35. So this is the hotel's official site. So we're going to drill into that, and we're going to make sure that the prices are the same. But as you can see here, already with most searches, the myEcon travel site is much cheaper. So we're going to dive into here. And again, we're going to make sure that we have the real apples to apples comparison here to make sure that we did not miss any taxes. So remember, with the myEcon travel membership, all the taxes and fees are included. So you are literally going to pay the price that you see right here, which is $267. And when we come over here to the actual resorts hotel, okay, when we come over here to their actual website, oops, this little hidden fee right here, the resort fee, they did not include in that public pricing. So the total price is over $400. So what would you rather pay? $260, $267 for the same exact room, same exact hotel, or would you rather pay $405? Same hotel, same nights, all that sort of stuff, and massive price difference. So you decide, my friend. So again, you got to make sure that you have all the facts and all the information. And if you see a cheaper price, number one, the travel engine will pay you the difference if you find a cheaper price elsewhere. Number two, you need to make sure that you get all the facts. If it might look cheaper on the surface, but then when you click into it and you realize that there's hidden fees, maybe hidden taxes that you were unaware of. But with this travel engine, all of the pricing includes the taxes and fees. So again, remember, you are guaranteed to save. So I hope all this makes sense. Hope you now see the value of the travel membership inside of your myEcon members area. Please, if you're a member, make sure that you're using this. Take advantage of this. Take advantage of the price match guarantee because it is awesome and it is guaranteed to save you money. If you're not a member with myEcon, link in the description down below. Go ahead and get yourself started. And you could do that for as little as $20 or $40 or $100. Now, something to mention here is the travel membership as well as the Defender Plus comes with the higher tiered membership, which is $100 to join and then $60 per month. But trust me, if you're using the services, you will by all means get way more back in return with your business, not to mention sharing and building your business and putting more cash flow back in your pocket. Hope you got value from this video. If you did, drop a comment down below. Make sure you like this video. If you made it to this point in the video and you have not already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And if you're ready to get started, my friend, I would highly encourage you to do that. Link in the description down below. Lock in your membership level. Let's get you rocking and rolling. I can promise you this, it's much better to be on the inside instead of standing there on the outside looking in. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one.